Hi dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again with a chill and lovely royal falooda recipe. It has a delicious taste that can't be ignored. Once taste and you will definitely ask once again. For that, let's make some preparation, then assemble. First, let's set the jelly. Here I'm taking 1 pack strawberry jelly. Add it into the bowl, pour 1 cup hot water, mix it until jelly fully dissolves. Then add 3/4 cup of cool water, mix it together and keep it in the fridge. Next, take 1 tablespoon basil seeds or Sabja seeds, add it into the glass and add half a cup water and soak it. Take your favorite nuts in this recipe. Here I'm taking almonds, cashews and raisins. Chop the nuts. Heat a pan, add half a teaspoon ghee, then add chopped nuts and roast it until it turns golden brown. Next one is add 1/3 cup of vermicelli or semia into the boiling water. Boil it until it turns soft. Pour into the strainer. Pour some cool water for avoiding overcook. Then strain the excess water. Take an apple, chop it into small chunks. Cut the jelly into the small cubes. Our main ingredient, rose syrup. Take a glass of chilled milk, add a tablespoon rose syrup and 1 tablespoon sugar, mix well. Now our rose milk is ready. All the ingredients are ready. Let's make falooda. Take a glass. First, add a tablespoon rose syrup. Then add soaked basil seeds. Add some jelly cubes. Add a tablespoon cooked vermicelli. Some chopped apple. Some roasted nuts. Pour some rose milk. Again, repeat the process. Rose syrup, soaked basil seeds, cooked vermicelli, some jelly cubes, chopped apple, roasted nuts and rose milk. Then add 1 or 2 scoops ice cream and some nuts for garnishing. Add drizzling some rose syrup over the falooda and our beautiful royal falooda is ready to taste. Enjoy this tastiest falooda with your loved one in this summer season. Do try out at your home and let me know your feedback. Please do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. Wait for what next in Shafa's Healthy Kitchen. Until then, stay at home, stay safe and stay happy. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.